Today we're going to be talking about the government sector. The government sector is a little unique in that there's a wide variety of facilities and municipalities involved, whether it's at the town level, the city level, the state or federal government level. Each has its own variety of unique requirements. Those requirements include a need for increased communication. With cable access channels and live streaming, now more than ever, local municipalities, state, and federal need to communicate with the public in a more effective way. So having the right equipment is of importance to these government entities. Security is also a concern at the government level. Encryption is certainly a concern if it's a closed-door session and they don't want any of this to be public. Certainly at the federal level, security and encryption are important considerations. Reduced budgets are always a consideration at the government level in that they tend to hold on to their equipment for a longer period of time and need to make the dollars go a little bit further. Flexibility, they need maybe to use the equipment in more than one space so that's not dedicated to one room or the other, so they can take the equipment and move it around between facility to facility or even building to building for that matter. Shure has a wide variety of products that can meet the needs of the government sector, including our MXC-W line of products and MXC, along with MXW and some of our other wireless products.